I want to go up in the air. Sky 5, Chase, you've been flying the damage path. Looks like it was a couple miles long, and it looks like the most significant damage west of I-35, correct?
Yeah, that's right, Jonathan. It's quite a few miles long, and this is probably some of the worst damage that we saw flying this damage path, and even further to the southwest of us, quite a few miles. We're seeing some smoke coming up, so I don't know if that's from the tornado, but look at the damage here to this house. Now, we saw some emergency crews headed out this way, and that's what kind of drew us this direction. And once we got here, this is what we found. We had the fire crews on the ground going through the house. Those two cars that you see in the driveway, they look like they were there when the tornado hit, so they possibly could have been people in this house when the tornado came through. There's a few people there in the driveway. We're going to try to get Michael over here to try to get some shots from the ground of this, but a lot of damage here to this house. It looks like a newer neighborhood, but this house has got a lot of damage, probably destroyed. Jonathan.
And so that's a modern 1 or 2 family home. So we're looking at the damage indicators for the EF scale. And we're looking at that. And when you see a partial roof removed, you have upper and lower thresholds for the winds. To me, I feel like what we're seeing from Sky 5 right now is potential, very concentrated, high NDF1 or low NDF2. It doesn't matter. What matters is it did damage, and we're glad everybody's okay.